Okay, read this question. Force of buoyancy exerted by the response of balloon is B. If the upward direction remains constant, the balloon x opposite direction of the balloon is. All right. There are two cases. Case one is okay. Buoyant force will be acting upwards. Buoyant force is acting upwards, and it is going down with constant velocity v. It is coming down with velocity v. We have mg downwards, and there's one more force acting. If you see clearly, force of air resistance on the balloon acts opposite to the direction of velocity and is proportional to it. So basically, a force will be acting upwards. Okay, because its velocity is downwards, so the force will be acting upwards. Let's say this is F. So since it is coming down with constant velocity, mg equal to b plus F. Okay. Now they are saying that the mass removed from the balloon so that it may rise with a constant velocity. So our next case is second case. So again we have mg downward, buoyant force upward. This is your buoyant force and this is mg. But now it's going up with velocity v. So the air resistance force will be acting downwards. And yes, I'm sorry, this is not m anymore. This is m minus x into g. You are removing x amount of mass from the block so that it starts rising up with same velocity. So again, since velocity is constant, acceleration is 0. So b equal to m minus x into g plus F. What is the question asking? X, value of x they are asking in terms of m and b. So from here, what is F equal to? Mg minus b. Put that over here. So b equal to mg minus xg plus what is F? Mg minus b. Mg minus b. Okay, this is your equation. So you get xg equal to 2mg minus 2b, or x equal to 2m minus 2b by g. So 2m minus 2b by g. So option A will be correct answer. Okay.